Welcome to the Skillz Developer Tutorial Series, a step-by-step video series designed to simplify the process of integrating your game into the Skillz platform. In this video, you'll learn about the crucial role fairness plays in every game powered by Skillz. We'll cover the concept of fairness as it applies to your game, and how you will achieve fairness using Skillz Random Number Generator. Let's get into it. Skillz is a skill-based competition platform. That means it's crucial to control all variables in order to ensure each player has an equal, fair chance of winning. This will differ depending on the game, but in general, you need to ensure no player has an inherent advantage over another player. For example, a puzzle game needs to ensure the game board configuration is the same for each player, while a game with power-ups needs to provide power-ups using the same logic for each player. To achieve fairness, Skillz provides its own Random Number Generator (RNG) API. The random numbers returned from the Skillz cross-platform random calls will be the same for each player in a match. This ensures that the outcome of the game is determined solely by the skill of the players, not by any advantage gained through the game itself. This API can generate various types, such as ints, floats, vectors, and rotations. Let's take a look at how you can implement Skillz RNG in your project. In our example game, a shuffled card deck is presented to a player, one card at a time. One player would receive an advantage if they were presented with a shuffled deck that provided an opportunity to score more points. A wild card is also chosen at random. One player could gain advantage by having a more favorable wild card. Right now, the project is using the Unity Engine Random class to shuffle the deck and choose the wild card. Using the Skillz RNG instead will allow you to provide the randomness necessary in the game while ensuring that the cards are presented to each player in the same order. To implement this improvement, let's look at the code for shuffling cards. If we open the card deck script, we see a shuffle function. The card deck is shuffled by iterating through cards in the deck, then using a random number to decide which card to swap. Now let's replace the Unity Engine Random Range with Skillz Cross-Platform Random Range. Similarly, the setWild function currently uses a random number to decide which card is wild. Let's also replace this random call with a call to Skillz Cross-Platform Random Range. Another important area to address is the order in which random numbers are utilized. To ensure fairness, random numbers need to be accessed in the same order for every player. In this game, we need to ensure that the shuffle and setWild methods are called appropriately. If we call these from the same script, we know that the deck is shuffled, then the wild card is chosen. With these changes, you've achieved fairness in your game and made sure that each player has an equal chance of winning. And that's what it's all about. Now that you've implemented Skillz RNG and achieved fairness in your game, the next step is to build your game for mobile devices. Check out our videos on building to iOS and Android, or follow the instructions in the documentation to get started. Bye for now.